Strong close for Tesla going into the end of the week. And today I ended up closing out my short term August calls for a $27,000 profit. Now, the reason that I ended up doing this is simply because we have earnings coming up. And the call options that I had going into earnings were for $8, $15, $310. So that's less than a month until expiration. We closed those out today for a 41% profit, but our daily requirements are still being met. The daily BX trender is still showing green. The weekly BX trender is still showing green. And so what I decided to do in order to reduce my risk was open another position out for September. This is called rolling an option. And simply rolling means that you're closing one dated option contract and then you're opening a further dated option contract. If you want to learn more about options, learn how to trade them appropriately, learn how to do it in a responsible manner, understand what the Greeks are, and we have a completely free beginner options trading course, which will be down in the description with all of our other free courses. Now, if we look at our main fund holdings, you're going to see that we are still holding those 2026 LEAP options that expire in September 18th, 2026, $370 strike. But the new ones that I opened up today were these. So I ended up going with 12 $325 calls expiring 9/19. The reason that I did this, as stated before, is because our requirement is still met within the market, but I don't want to have as much risk to the fund and to that position. So we went 2 months till expiration instead of one. I explain this in a lot more detail in the options course, but when we head into earnings, implied volatility goes up. And what this does is it makes the cost of contracts more expensive. The issue with that is that when implied volatility goes down after earnings, which is going to happen no matter what, then the price of the contract goes down with it. And this is why sometimes you might hold call options or put options through earnings. The stock ends up going the way you expected. You wake up the next day, check your phone, you think you're going to be up 100%, 200%, and you're not really up that much. And it's because the implied volatility crushed the position. Now, in the last video we talked about how this resistance area between $330 to $340 would most likely be the high that we see before earnings. And the reason for that is that price action has been squeezing between this support level and this resistance level. And if we continue to make higher lows, lower highs, that we should continue to squeeze until earnings, which is exactly what is happening. Now, if earnings is strong, then I think there's a very high chance that we're going to break right through this smart money zone and probably run to $425 within the course of maybe 1 to 2 months. That's best case scenario. That would be amazing. Now, worst case scenario, which we have to always remember, would be if price rejects off of this level, then we would pull back down to about $250. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. Essentially, everything is still holding the same, but I did change my position to manage my risk within the fund. If you want to learn our exact trading system, get access to all of our real-time trade strategy, as well as all of these indicators that you see here, the link to all 10 of our courses are down in the description. Hope you have a good weekend.